Hey guys, in today's video we are going to talk about the effects of dental plaque on oral and dental health. Plaque is not just a sticky layer, it can have a serious consequence for our teeth and gums. Let's see what these effects are. The first and most effect of dental plaque is a tooth decay. When plaques build on our tooth surface, bacteria feeds the sugars in our food and produce the acid. These acids can erode the enamel of our teeth and leads to cavities. The second effect is gum disease. When plaques stay in our teeth for too long, it can cause inflammation of gums, leading to symptoms like bleeding and swelling. If this condition goes untreated, it can progress to more serious disease like periodontitis, which can ultimately lead to the tooth loss. Additionally, the plaque can also cause bad breath. The bacteria present in the plaque can produce unpleasant odor in the mouth, which is really annoying. Finally, I should mention that these plaques can affect our oral health too. Research has shown that gum disease and oral infections may be linked to heart disease and diabetes. So, to prevent the disease and those symptoms, we must clean and protect our teeth from those plaques. If you have any question or any suggestion regarding this video, don't hesitate to ask and comment